Catchbox started in 2012 with a throwable microphone when we wanted to solve how to pass a microphone more efficiently for the audience, instead of bringing the handheld mic. So a lot of years passed, and the Cube throwable microphone was a door opener for us to be able to talk to a lot of AV professionals, ask a lot of questions, learn about the industry, and now in 2025 we're actually having a full wireless microphone solution with 4 channels, with 3 different microphones for every scenario, a Cube throwable microphone for the audience capture, a clip lavalier microphone, and a handheld microphone for the personal use for professors or the main presenters. We are bringing the same simplicity that we started with the Cube. So the aesthetic design, very simple product that everybody understands how to use, how to set up. And we're bringing this whole idea also to the wireless microphone system. And we think that nowadays it's still, a lot of AV products are still quite complicated for the user. Right? And we believe that this is one of the biggest challenges with capturing good, crisp, clear audio in any space, is when users do make errors, when they don't wear their microphones correctly, when they hold the mic too far away or too close to their mouth, maybe coming too close to the loudspeakers, causing feedback. Right? So we want to make sure that the users actually understand how to use the devices. Even in the stressful lives, all around us, they would be able to just come in, pick up the microphone, and ready to talk. So we deployed the system already all across the world, and mostly in higher education, corporate, and events industries. And we keep hearing that we've solved a lot of issues with multiple tickets that have been overwhelming the AV teams, because nowadays a lot more spaces need to be equipped with audio equipment, and then you need to make sure that users can use it and also that the AV professionals can maintain it. So for example, battery charging, so we have a very elegant battery charging solution. Also missing lavalier microphone, so we have a range alarm. Missing wires for the lav mics, so we just simply avoid that, and we have a wearable microphone. So things like that really help for the users to use and for the AV professionals to maintain. So I think the culture is very important. So when you have an open culture, when you actually want to discuss things and throw around the Cube microphone, and you're open to different opinions, that's what matters really a lot nowadays, right? And so actually with the Cube throwable microphone and with the whole system, we promote that openness for discussion. We invite everybody to speak, and we think that all opinions actually matter, and then you can come up with something great when you hear out pretty much everybody.